go look.
Fine. Which one's the hall closet? Sabrina!
You'll find it.
Which one?
Just look.
Which door?
Go.
Is it this one?
Yep.
Okay. Oh. I don't see it! Where is it? Sabrina!
Right there.
Right where?
That one right there.
Which where?
That one. Yeah.
That's not broken.
Yes, it is.
Age thing. That's not broken on it, Bill.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not straight.
You're too drunk to know.
Oh, no, I'm not. Don't tell me what I am and what I'm not. Sabrina! I can't sleep on the floor. Where's my bed?
Go to sleep.
Go sleep where?
Lay down and go to sleep.
Lay down where?
The floor.
Where? What floor?
The one you're standing on.
This one?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I can sleep on it?
Yes.
Are you positive?
Yes.
What if I were to puke here?
I would probably step on your face.
Oh! Then I'll try not to puke, okay?
Yeah, you do that.
Sabrina! Where's my bed?
Outside.
No, it's not! I can't go back out there!
Why now?
Because the guy might be out there!
Oh well.
He followed me home! Sabrina! Wake up! Why? Go there!
Go. Go. No, thank you.
You want some pickles?
No.
Pickles! Pickles!
There, I'm taking them. Thank you. They're wonderful.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Rock solid, just the way I like them. Now, where'd the other one go?
I don't know. You hid it somewhere.
Oh, that's right. I ate it. It was so delicious. Thank you. Now go to sleep.
Okay. Where to sleep? Where do I sleep?
Are you tired?
Yeah.
Are you really tired?
Yeah.
Are you tired this time?
Yes.
Do you want to go to sleep?
Yeah.
I'll fix this for you. I'll get it out of your hands.
Okay.
Now, you can sleep on my bed tonight.